Hey guys, welcome back to the Auntie Annie Show. Today we are doing a fun activity with some mini brands and some Real Littles. So we're just going to be making them into magnets. So I have some magnets right here. I got these from Dollar Tree. What you're going to need is a hot glue gun. Make sure you guys have a parent to help you because these things get extremely hot. This is the wieners, and I'm just gonna glue this on the back. As you can see, it does not stick, so you need to put some glue on the back of it. Just a small, and then it'll look like that. So we're gonna do that to all of the minis. And these are my duplicates, so I am not harming any mini brands that I use. Okay. So look, they already stick together, but make sure that they're fully dry so that you can put them on your fridge, and we're going to show you that part as well. I think this is a super fun activity. If you guys have extra mini brands, you can do this as well. Okay, we have the hot tamales next. I was thinking about making magnets for Pop-Its and Squishmallows, so if you guys want to see that video, make sure you comment down below and like this video. You also want to make sure your mini is big enough so that it's not, the magnet isn't taking up the whole mini brand. Oh, that one was sticking pretty good. Okay, and our last one, we have the Dum Dums bucket. And you just want to press it down so that it sticks. Okay, so all of our mini brands are done. And now we are going to work on our Real Littles. So we're going to do a little twist. A lot of people just put magnets on them and then leave them, but we're going to actually take out the actual product. And we're also going to glue it on top. So not only is it going to have a magnet, it's going to look like that. So let's try it out. And you want to work fast so that the glue does not dry up. I kind of put this one on the side. It'll be okay. And then we're going to glue the top and set our little Shopkin on top like that. So you get a 2-in-1. I think this is so cute. Look at the little bite mark. Okay. Next we have the popcorn. Same thing with this one. This one I haven't even opened. So we have our popcorn, our box. I'm gonna try to get it centered. So like right here should be good. guys want to make sure you get it on the right spot because it's kind of hard to take off. And then there is 2 spots, so I'm just gonna glue the back of this and put it on top like that. This one is my absolute favorite. Looks just like Sloppy Joe. Okay, so the tag is right here. And we're gonna put it like right here. The ravioli one is a little on the side, but that's okay. Just get it as close as possible. And then we're putting the burger right here. I think these are super cute, you guys. Next we have a Haribo cola. Okay. Putting some glue. And then, since this one is so small, I'm just gonna put it up here. Like that. It's a little bended, but that should be good. Alright. Next we have some cheese. And it's so cute. Okay. We have one more to go after this one. And we're putting the cheese on top. Like that. And lastly, we have some Eclipse mints, but these do not open. There's nothing in it. So we're just going to do the back and put our magnet like that. So I'm gonna let all of these dry and we will see how they look on the fridge. So this is how they all look. They look so nice. Back up a little. Well guys, that completes the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.